Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam and I'm back today with another haul video. I went to quite a few different stores today, and actually some of them I went to a few days ago, so I'm filming it all together so that I have one big haul. So I went to Wajimaya, 99 Ranch, Fred Meyer, and Costco, and the common theme between all of these different stores is that I was trying to find meat products. That is things that taste like meat, that look like meat, that have the same texture, but aren't necessarily meat. So I'm just trying to find out which ones taste good that I can keep using over and over and they can be my go-to. So if you guys love haul videos, please subscribe and keep watching. All right, welcome back. So I kind of divided this haul up into fresh produce and then things that are more packaged so that I can, go through them kind of fast. So first things first, that doesn't really fall into any of this, is this oat milk. So I love having almond milk and soy milk and all different kinds of milk. Oat milk is something that I was introduced to while visiting my sister-in-law, and I really like it because it has kind of the same consistency as the milk. It's not as thinned out like almond milk tends to be, and soy milk has a flavor to it that I just can't really get into. My husband likes soy milk, but I don't. So I really like oat milk. I used it to make my barley in my last video, you'll see, and this brand is from Fred Meyer and I really like it. This is probably one of the better brands because I did try the Trader Joe's one and it was really kind of thin, so I didn't like it and I didn't think I like oat milk, but this one's actually really good, so highly recommend. And that's oat milk, not goat milk, just in case, because I was telling someone about this and they were like, well, aren't you plant-based right now? And I'm like, yeah, what's the confusion? And then I realized they thought I was saying goat milk. So no, oat milk. Big bag of broccoli, nothing very special. I like to kind of rotate my veggies around, so decided to get that from Costco. On that same note, I also have a bag of cauliflower. Love cauliflower, love roasting it in my air fryer. It's a really easy, quick snack. And then we were kind of getting a little bit tired of having mixed greens, and so instead we got a big bag of lettuce. I've already gone through two. Between my husband and I, we can probably get through one of those in a meal just because we are having a ton of salads and we love salads. Honestly, like, I'm not having it because I am dieting or anything like that. I truly love having a big hearty bowl of greens. We're getting back into having smoothies and totally love adding green spinach to my smoothies. So grabbed a bag of those, shredded carrots, and then this is a 3-color deli coleslaw, which has green cabbage, carrots, and red cabbage. So this was on sale and I figured why not? I got this from Wajimaya, both of these from Wajimaya. Also from Wajimaya are some herbs. I've got some mint leaves and some red basil for this week's meal prep video. These looked really good, and usually I don't ever buy mint because I have it in my garden, but right now everything's dead because it's cold. All right, this package is falling apart already, but I've got some organic grape tomatoes. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I have been loving this combination. It is tomatoes, onions, avocado, and then for my sauce, I have coconut aminos, sambal, which is a chili garlic sauce, and furikake. That has been my go-to salad because it's delicious, it's spicy, I love tomatoes, you get a crunch, I love it. Husband, no, not so much. It is spicy and that's why he doesn't like it. An English cucumber. I was gonna buy Persian cucumbers, but they were about $1.99 for 3 small ones, and this was $1.99 for 1 big one. So I figured this was a better deal. All right, from Costco. This is something that I just always love having in my freezer, and that is this big bag of Normandy Vegetables. That is a blend of broccoli, cauliflower, orange, and yellow carrots. I just love having this because if there is an off chance that I don't have fresh veggies in my fridge, I like to go and grab some from the freezer and just steam it up and have it instead. So I just love always having veggies on hand because it's our go-to. All right, so those are the vegetable items, I think. So let's go ahead and move on to some of these other products. So first one here is a garden veggie wrap. I am making this for meal prep this week. 60 calories, 6 net carbs, 4 grams of protein. Seem really good. I've already had 2. We already had 2 for dinner a couple nights ago, or lunch, I can't remember. And they're really good. I put them on the pan, make sure that both sides are a little bit cooked, a little bit browned, and then I add whatever toppings I want. So really like this, and it seemed like a good carb choice. Okay, so I've been on the hunt for some vegan cheese for a while now, even before I started exploring this plant-based lifestyle. And I really haven't found anything that I liked. The good cheese alternative to when you're making, say, like mac and cheese is cashews. If you blend cashews, it has a really, really nice creamy, sweet taste to it. So I've loved that. But I found this Mykonos Tamara's Creamery semi-soft double classic cream. So this is delicious. This has chives in it. It's got such a good flavor. And so if you're on the look for a cheese that's really good, that's plant-based, highly recommend this one. It's so good. It's got organic cashews, coconut oil, chives, rice miso, which is rice water salts, koji, cultures, sea salt, nutritional yeast, and cultures. So nothing in here that's questionable, so really like this. All right, next up I got this Dia Deluxe Cheesy Mac, dairy-free, plant-based, and I figured I would just try it out. On nights that I'm running kind of low on time, why not have a box mac and cheese? I don't think even when I wasn't eating plant-based that we've ever had a box mac and cheese, but why not? All right, this is from Costco, Better Than Bouillon. This is great for whenever you need veggie stock. I always used to get the Better Than Chicken one or Better Than Beef, but this is good for veggie stock. So grab that from Costco. The mac and cheese was from Fred Meyer in case, and so was the Mykonos. Next up is probably one of my favorite items that I picked up in this haul. It's from Costco. It is this roasted garlic dip, cashew and almond dip. So good. This is already half done and it's been a few days. It's such a good spread on your sandwiches and your wraps, and just honestly such a good dip with chips. Oh my gosh, this is so good. If you're on the lookout for a dairy-free, vegan, plant-based dip, this is it. This is a veggie patty. I think usually I get the Morningstar black bean burger, but this is a different one and that I wanted to try, and it's actually really good. So really recommend. Chipotle bowl that's plant-based. So it's got a lot of different veggies in it. Let's see, it's got soy protein, brown rice, diced tomato, chipotle paste, pepper puree, black beans, diced bell pepper, sweet corn, onion, salt, lemon juice, coriander, cumin, garlic, black pepper, chili, spices, and yeast extract. So really good ingredients. There's 6 in a pouch. It was on sale. I saw that it was plant-based, and I figured this would be perfect on days that we just need something and I don't have anything prepared. So excited to try this. I haven't tried it yet. Each package is about 260 calories, and it's got a ton of good nutritional value. So I'm excited. All right. Next up, I've got some apples. Now, I got this from Costco, and it came in a pack of 12, I believe, but these are some Cosmic Crisp apples. If you haven't heard about these, they're grown and made in Washington. They're crunchier, sweeter, supposedly the best apples that you can find out there. And I am here to say the hype is kind of true. I didn't want to believe it, but now that I've kind of eaten other apples, in comparison, these are really good. They're super crunchy, they're super sweet. They don't lose that crunch either, so it's kind of amazing. And now that I've tasted this, it's gonna be hard to go back to regular apples. So found it at Costco, also saw it at Fred Meyer, so I'm sure it's available to people here in Washington. I really don't know about others in other states and countries, so sorry, but these are delicious. Next up, I've got these Mushroom Crisp Crunchy Seasoned Shiitake mushrooms. These are delicious. I've already hauled these a few times before. Love having this on hand because I can just grab a few, which is enough because they are kind of drying, and they're kind of hearty too, so I don't like to have more than like 3 or 4, but delicious if you need a quick crunch. Organic chickpeas that are baked, I believe, I don't know actually, I might be making that up, but they're salted, they're good. It's a really good crunch on top of salads, which is how we've been using it. So I really like this. I had one in my last haul and I grabbed a new bag this time around. All right, next up I'm gonna pull this big old tub in front because this is what houses all of my faux meat, my meat products. So I have this in the fridge just like this because I like to just keep it all together and organized. But right at top, and I've already actually used this, but I kept the container, is this meatless ground meat. And I used this in my chili and we loved it. It's soy protein, I believe. Let me just double check. Yeah, water proteins concentrate. So if you like soy protein, you know, you'll really like this. It has the same texture and the same look as ground meat does. We really liked it in our chili, so I do recommend this, and I definitely will be picking this up whenever we want kind of that. Otherwise, we like to kind of go the natural route and have beans and lentils and that kind of thing. But once in a while, when we kind of want a little bit of a different variety, we like to pick up these, you know, meat products. Spicy tofu that I got from 99 Ranch. I am probably gonna be the only one that eats this because my husband doesn't really like spicy food, but this just sounded interesting. So I will show you all the different tofu that I got, but this is kind of a spin on that. All right, so speaking of tofu, I have quite a bit. So I went to Fred Meyer, got a couple, and then I did go to Costco and saw that they have a big pack of 4 for like $5.50 or something like that. So extra firm tofu, which is exactly what I want. Both are organic. And yeah, so I love having tofu on hand now because it's an easy way to get your protein. And we like to crumble it on our salads. I like to crumble it and bake it, and it gets nice and crispy. I will make it crispy too. So there's just a ton of different ways to have tofu. And honestly, sometimes I think I've shared this on my Instagram. So again, follow me on Instagram, Life Tastefully Balanced. But I will take that tomato salad that I make, and then I will add just soft tofu to it because it soaks up that flavor, the sauce that I make so beautifully, and it's just delicious. I love it. All right, this is also from 99 Ranch. Shredded white tofu. This is what it looks like in the back. I never tried this, so I have no idea how to really eat this, or I was gonna actually just add it to my regular noodles, regular vermicelli noodles, and see if I can just bulk it up a little bit, but I have no idea. I've never tried this, so I don't know what the texture is or any of that, so I'll have to report back. All right, back here is something I haven't tried yet, is plant-based chicken barbecue. So this is made out of tofu. It has a barbecue taste to it, so I figured go ahead and try it out. So this is interesting. Definitely does not taste like bacon. I've had turkey bacon. We don't eat regular pork bacon, but I have had turkey bacon and not like that at all. It's dry, so it's not very, I don't know, it doesn't get crispy, it does, but then it's really dry and it doesn't taste good. So I don't think I'm a huge fan of this and probably not gonna get it again, but it was worth a try. It's made out of soy protein, so I don't know, wasn't my thing. And the last thing in my haul is this plant-based original sausage kielbasa. I don't know how to pronounce that, but it's hot dogs, veggie hot dogs. I figured I'd try this one out. I have tried the Trader Joe's one. Costco used to have some, but I no longer saw it the last time I went, so maybe it didn't sell well. But this is a great source of protein again, and I figured I would make this, bake it in my air fryer, and then add it to wraps. That's how I was gonna use it, but I'm excited to try it out. I think it'll be good. All right, there you guys go. That is my quick haul from quite a few different places featuring some fun faux meat alternatives because I wanted to explore my choices. So if you guys love hauls, if you love seeing all these different variety of meat products, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. Let me know where I should go next because I am on the hunt to find alternatives. That is what 2020 is going to be about, for now at least. But if you guys love hauls, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, live life tastefully balanced.